Hello everybody. I've been absent from my channel for quite a while because we've been moving from Connecticut into South Carolina. We're sort of getting settled here and I'm getting ready to put in a bulletin board right here. And as you can see, it's pretty big. Let me show you how I do it with just a handful of very simple, basic, and inexpensive materials. You only need 4 items to complete this project. One, you need a backing board. I like to use homasote, H-O-M-A-S-O-T-E. This, I believe, is 98% recycled paper. It's very easy to work with and cut with a sharp knife or with a saw. I believe this is used for soundproofing walls. It's pretty inexpensive. You can get a 4x8 sheet at any of the big box DIY stores. You're going to need some burlap. In this particular case, I've chosen a bluish gray. You're going to need an adhesive to attach the burlap to the homasote. I like to use 3M 77 spray adhesive. I didn't have any. I have the 90. That'll work just as well. And then lastly, you'll need some kind of glue or adhesive to attach the bulletin board to your wall. In my particular case, because of the porosity of the burlap, I've chosen to paint my homasote black. In the past, I've used like a brown burlap, and I've just left the homasote its natural light gray color, which is its natural off-white color, which is this. But I didn't want that white to bleed through, so I painted mine black. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see there's a little bit of difference. You can see the white versus the black background, so it just keeps it a little bit darker. I didn't want it to lighten up too much. So I'll put my adhesive on the homasote, put the fabric on, fold it over, and then attach it to the wall. The bulletin board itself is all done. It goes on really fast with that glue. Just spray it on the homasote, lay the fabric on it, and all I have to do is put some adhesive on the back and stick it up against the wall, and I'm good to go. Let me give you an idea of how easy it is to push pins in on this. So if you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.